So this one is the extension of what we have just understood. Gaps. Here we are seeing a bigger time frame, and you can see on a bigger time frame also when there was a gap down, market actually after like 4 days market actually came back to fill this gap. Here also when there was again a gap up, market actually filled this gap. So eventually the gaps are filled. It is just a matter of time. It most usually happens on the same day, and if it is not happening, it will happen. One more concept you have to understand here is whenever there is a gap up or gap down, straight away don't jump in to take the trade. It might go wrong because the volatility is so strong, and wait for the market to digest this gap and see where is the market heading, and then take the trade. Otherwise your trade can go against you. Market tend to give gap up or gap down as a normal scenario when market opens. Sometimes this can happen during the live market also when volatility is high. And what we understood in the next concept is never be in hurry to take a trade when gap up or gap down happens. Wait for the market to settle down. The gaps will be eventually filled up.